All right, guys, we are here at the Aldi dumpster on this dreary night. Trash should be coming in the morning to pick this place up, and there actually was just a couple of dumpster divers here. I'm not gonna get closer to show them, but can you see that there's a car there already at the dumpster? And it looked like they had loaded up with quite a bit of good stuff, so we'll see if there's anything left. I'm sure there is. Let's go check it out. Alright, looks like there's a lot of cheese. Where'd that just go? Okay, well that disappeared. But okay, crescent rolls. I know there's cheese in this bag. There it is. It's open, but they are individually wrapped. Alright, I gotta go to my car and get my bag. Be right back. Okay, got my bag. Let's get some more cheese. Chocolate. Okay. These are olives. And I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna trust it. Take one of these salads. And does that look good to you guys? It doesn't look very good in real life, so I'm gonna leave that. That jar is broken. I just really want to find eggs, but I don't think there are any, and if there were, they probably already took them, which is absolutely fine. I will take one bunch of bananas. I'll take this one. Yeah, it looked like they had like 4 boxes of food loaded up in their car. I'm seeing a jar right there on the other side, so I'll have to go back. Not tons left, but we got something at least. No, that's half empty. This little guy I'll take. Hey, lemon. I love lemons. There's another one. Alright, 3 lemons. My light is not very bright today. Alright. Another lemon. Alright guys, I think that's it for here. Alright, next stop at the Gordon's dumpster. Oh man, those are open. I was going to be so excited for those. Pork rinds. I honestly think I'm gonna leave those behind. Those would not get eaten by me. Oh, oh, that's unfortunate. Black beans. It's stacked up pretty high on that side. Let's go see. And I always check here. Nope. Just cardboard. Dried kiwi. That's kind of fun. Oh, I got some deli sandwiches. I think I'll probably take one or two of those. And I saw some more juice down there. Yeah. Apple cucumber, that is interesting. You guys see those cans? Yeah. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down so I can dig around a little bit right there. Back at home with the findings. Not the most fruitful haul I've ever had, but as you guys saw, it was like, what, 8 minutes of diving, maybe, not even. And I still found all of this, which is awesome. And sometimes it's nice not to find tons of stuff because then I don't get overwhelmed with the food that I have. You know what I mean? So we'll start with the Gordon's things. I did take one ham sandwich. There were 5 of those big cans of tomato soup. These are 50 ounces each, so that'll definitely do me some good this winter. I took another of the fresh squeezed orange juices. This one is a little bit smaller, so that is better than the big one that I took a while ago. And then I got 4 of these little fruit juice, well, not fruit juice, but like juice shooters, we'll call them. And it's interesting because like this one was $4. This one's only $2. Same with those. This one, the color deceived me. So I have 2 of the apple cucumber. I took 2 of the small ones, not the bigger one, which the ingredients are literally just apple and cucumber. 2 of those. And then this one is ABC juice, apple, carrots, and beets. That's kind of cute. Now this one, it's called G8, which I'm assuming is supposed to be play on the V8 juice. It's tomatoes, carrots, celery, cucumber, beet, parsley, turmeric, watercress, cayenne pepper. This I'm not going to drink it. Maybe I'll put it in soup or something. I just can't drink that. Maybe I'll give it a sip, but I'm not going to enjoy it. Let me know if you'd drink that. Or if you'd put it in a Bloody Mary. Not me, though. This thing of dried kiwi, I don't know. The sides are kind of popped open, so I'm not sure if I'm going to end up keeping that. We'll see. I did find another pack of onions. One of them is very squished and very pungent. So that'll just go to the compost, but the other should be good. 2 packs of celery right here from Gordon's, and I believe that is the last of it. And then we have a little bit from Aldi, which, like I said, the people before me, I think got quite a bit of good stuff, but it's okay. I got some good stuff too. We'll start here. I have 5 of these little tiny creamy chocolate bars, which is super cute. And then I have a tiny watermelon. It has a little bruise right there, but that's okay. I only took 1 pack of the Caesar salad kits. Honestly, the lettuce is starting to turn pink, so I don't even know if I'm going to keep that, but I do love Parmesan cheese. I should have thought about that. I would have taken more and just taken the Parmesan cheese out of it. I'm not going to end up going back because it's not like it's right down the street, but I should have thought about that next time. These are blue cheese stuffed olives, and I wasn't originally going to take these because I don't love olives, but I do love blue cheese, so that's why I took them. And it does look like it was dropped right there. I think they'll be okay. Here's the bunch of bananas that I took. As you can see, they have really browned since I last showed you to them, which wasn't even that long ago. It's just obviously due to the cold. So those will probably go into either a banana bread, or the freezer. Here are the 4 lemons that I found. I will definitely utilize those. And then the pack of crescent rolls. I very, very rarely find crescent rolls that are not popped open. Usually they're like exploded on one end. You guys know how they are. That's usually how I find them, but this one is sealed. And then I have the 2 packs of singles cheese. They are open, but all of the cheese is individually wrapped in plastic, so they are fine. I have the American and the Swiss. These are good for quite a while. This one's good until June and July, so those I will not have any problem utilizing by then. And then I took the big thing of rolled oats. The top just popped inward. I took it anyways. I'm not probably going to use this just to, like, you know, eat a bowl of oatmeal in the morning, but I can grind it up or use it in recipes, take a bath. Just kidding, I don't have a bathtub, but that's kind of what I was thinking, and I didn't feel too bad about it since it's just popped down and still quite covered. That's just how I felt. All right, that's it. Not bad for a very quick day's work. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for sticking around. Oh, my light. I got a cool little light, like, beanie that has a headlamp kind of attached to it. I think I told you guys. And I accidentally ran it through the washer. I didn't realize it was in there, and I'm thinking that's why it wasn't working that well today. So hopefully next time I have, you know, better lighting for you guys. But again, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with more fabulous videos. Thank you, guys.